Hello good people. Welcome to the Review Plus. In this video, we will try to list best 5 Nikon cameras. We tried to list them based on their price, quality, durability, and more. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 5. Nikon D3400. SnapBridge Bluetooth connectivity. 24.2 mpdx format CMOS sensor. X-Speed 4 image processor. Nikon Multicam 1000 autofocus sensor module with TTL phase detection. The bright optical viewfinder provides a sharp. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 4. Nikon D7500. Class-leading image quality, ISO range. Metering equivalent to the award-winning D500. 51-point AF system with 15 cross-type sensors. 4K Ultra HD and 1080p Full HD video with stereo sound. Easy connectivity through the Nikon SnapBridge app. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 3. Nikon D500. Eye-level pentaprism single-lens reflex viewfinder. Monitor size, 3.2 inches diagonal. 3.2-inch 2539K tilting touchscreen LCD. 4K UHD video recording at 30 fps. Multicam 20K 153-point AF system. Please check the description for details and best price. Number 2. Nikon D750. Full frame 24.3 megapixel CMOS image sensor. Built-in Wi-Fi connectivity and compatibility. Shoot up to 6.5 fps at full resolution. Simultaneously record uncompressed and compressed. NL15 rechargeable Li-ion battery. Please check the description for details and best price. And number 1. Nikon D850. Nikon designed backside illuminated full frame image sensor. 45.7 megapixels of extraordinary resolution. Outstanding dynamic range and virtually no risk of moire. Up to 9 fps 1 continuous shooting at full resolution. 8K 6 and 4K time-lapse movies with new levels of sharpness. Please check the description for details and best price.